Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you smart glasses and see, these are some of the features. Let's check it out closely. We have one camera and the sensor. On the right side we have two buttons over here. Here is the magnetic charging cable. These are extra tools, cleaning cloth. We can go ahead and start. I'm updating the firmware. You can take a picture, record a video. It started recording and stop. I'm going to go ahead and put them on and test it. Right now it is activated. When you press one time, it's going to take a picture. Now it took a picture. And when you press two times right there, it's going to start recording. At the same time, you're going to see the notification right there, white light. Basically, it is telling the other side, right now it is recording. Whenever you press one more time, it's going to stop recording. Now it recorded. And the second button right there behind the first one, when you press one time, now it is recording the sound. If you're listening to music, if you touch right over here two times, it's gonna stop right there. If you want to press two times again, it's gonna continue playing. If you press and hold, it's gonna go to next track. If you're pressing three times, it's gonna go back to a previous track. Awesome. When you use smart image recognition, basically whatever it's in front of you, it's going to take a picture right there and it's going to explain what it is.
I see a well-organized content creation or live streaming setup in what appears to be a home environment. Key elements.
You can also use translation. This is AI translation, on-screen translation, simultaneous translation, meeting minutes. Let's use simultaneous translation. I chose English and Spanish. Let's go ahead and start. Hello, how are you?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
What's your name?
¿Cómo te llamas?
You see, you can either save the records or stop translation. There is on-screen translation. You can use both sides to use the translation. Meeting minutes whenever you start recording, right there. And it's gonna give you the text version. Whenever you need the pictures or videos, they're gonna be imported via Wi-Fi. I will show you some examples during the daytime and nighttime. I can go ahead and test it out. It's a daytime. Let's go ahead and go for a walk. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk along. Here is my car, my house. My hands. If you're fixing something and try to upload it to your social media accounts, let's see. I just parked my car. and I want you to see a point of mine. This is the POV video. Nighttime. Let's check it out. My daughters did these drawings for me for my birthday. Let's check it out closely. There we go. Nighttime. Right now, I'm recording my voice and I'm gonna have you listen to it, and then you can decide if it is good or bad. Since these glasses have noise reduction, you can check it out.